Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to duplicate apps on iPhone. For this one, we're going to go ahead and open our App Store, and here you're just going to go ahead and type dual app, just like so. And then the one that I'll be using is this one here, 2 accounts or dual apps. I just downloaded this one earlier, so I'm going to go ahead and click the open button. Now from this point forward, I'm just going to go ahead and click the dual messenger, and I'm going to tap this plus sign here, and here I'm going to go ahead and log in my messenger. So there you go, click that one, and I'm going to add my username. This is my Facebook username. There you go. If I were to click this one, I'll be redirected in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and start logging in. All right, and click login. And there you go. So you can see that I've successfully logged into my messenger. I can go ahead and try to open some messages down here. For example, if I were to open this one here, this is PLDT Cares, I can just go ahead and see our conversation. Now you can go ahead and find others. For example, I'm going to open this one here. Again, these are some of the conversations I have, and then I can go ahead and open my messenger and basically log in another account in here. And yep, that is how you're going to do it. You have different options there available for you as well, so go ahead and try to explore this one. For example, if you want to add another application, just tap that plus sign, and here are your options. So congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to duplicate apps on iPhone.